In this lecture, we will see how to create practice exercise 15. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view, total length, this one, and here width and height you can see. Just go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice, click here open, then go to the box, click this location, select here length. You can see here total length 250. Here width is 100. Go to here, make it like this 250, then press enter. Make it 100, then press enter. Next we need to make it this height 125. Go to here, make it 125, then press enter. Next we need to make it this portion we don't want. We need to cut and remove. You can see here horizontal 100, vertical 85. Go to here, select here front. You will get it this one like this, x and y. This is our working plane. Then go to the rectangle, click any location, go to the dimension. You can see here horizontal 100, vertical 85. Go to here 100, then press enter. 85, press enter. Click any location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it in this midpoint, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, then select this one, delete it. Next we need to remove this portion. That portion we need to remove up to here. We don't want to remove 100%. We just need to remove up to this location. You can see here this dimension 70, and this dimension you can see 130. Go to here, select here top, then go to the rectangle, click any location, select here dimension, this x direction, that is this one, 130 mm, 130, then press enter. Next we need to make it a y direction. That y direction, it is 70, 70, then press enter. Click this location, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it in this midpoint. Next we need to make a press pull for 105. You can see here this 105. Go to here, go to the press pull, click this face, make it like this, minus 105, then press enter. Press escape key, select this one, delete it. You can see here, then select here print. Now we are going to cut and remove this portion. For that, go to slice. When you make slice, you have to make it your working plane opposite to that slice. Select this slice, select this one, press enter, click here and click here, again press enter. If you select this one, you can see it is slice. Delete it. Now you got this one. Next we need to make it this area radius 50 fillet. We need to make it. Just go to here, select here solid, select here fillet edge, go to the radius, make it 50, then press enter. Click this edge, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same. Click here, press double enter, then go to this side, press enter. You can repeat the same command. Click here, press double enter, Repeat the same here also. It's ready. Next we need to make it this projection. You can see here 5 mm projection, that is diameter it is 60. You can see here radius 30. This one, this outer one, it is radius 30, diameter 60. Just go to here, then go to the home, select here top, then go to the circle, just go near to this, you will get it here center point, make it 30, then press enter. Similar way we can create here also. Go to the circle, just go near to this, you will get it here center, make it 30, then press enter. Then go to the press tool, click here, make it 5 mm. You can see here 5 mm. Make it 5, then press enter. Similar way, go to this side, click here, make it 5, then press enter. Press escape key, select these 2D lines, delete the circle. Now it is clear. Next we need to make it this hole for radius 20. Go to here, go to the circle, go near to this, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Then go to the press tool, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it these two holes for radius 10. Go to here, go to the circle, click here, make it a radius 10, then press enter. Next we need to move that circle inside 30. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it 30, then press enter. Next we need to place it this one for 70. Select this one, copy, click here, make it 70, then press enter. Press escape key, you can see here. Go to the press tool, click here, make it like this, click here, make it like this. Press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Now this one is clear. Next we need to make it this location. You can see 2.5 fillet. Go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, go to the radius, make it 2.5, then press enter. Then go to here, click this edge, then press double enter. Then go to the top, press enter, repeat the same command, click here, then press double enter. It is ready. Then go to the layout tab, go to here layout, then select here base from model space, click here, press enter, and click here, then go to the top and place it like this, then press enter. You will get it everything. Select this one, go to here edit view, make it here shaded with visible line, and here these tangent lines we don't want. Just go to the visibility, select here tangent edge, make it no, then press enter. You will get it everything. Next you need to make it center lines. Just go to here home, select here center line layer, then go to the annotate tab, select here center mark. You can make this center mark, all the center mark you can create. Here also you can make it a center line, click here and click here. Similar way, press enter, you can make it here also. All the area wherever you require center lines, you can make it simply. And here also if you want, you can make here center. Finish. Next you can create dimensions. This is very simple linear dimension and a radius dimension only. You can make, already you know how to create dimension and all. If you don't know, please go to exercise number 1, you will get it a clear idea. Once you finish the dimension and all, You have to make it this everything. You can fill it, and you can change the sheet, and you can change the scale and all. Everything is okay, perfect. After that, you can save the drawing. You can print the drawing.